Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
With families gathering for Thanksgiving and lots more to come, cooking for a crowd is becoming much more challenging. Food allergies and specialized diets can be difficult. Chef and author Dustin Hardin, working with the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, has helped to gather recipes that avoid the most common issues at universalmeals.org.
So you really can create a space for everyone at the table. You know, you think you're going over to a friend's house, a family member's house, you don't know who's going to be there, what allergies they have. It's really nice when you can show up with something and feed everyone. You're like, no, they can have it, they can have it, they can have it. Everyone can enjoy it together, right? And something like green bean casserole, nobody really will know.
Even a tasty dairy-free mac and cheese is there. The site again is universalmeals.org.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.